For thousands of small business owners all around the globe, the internet really is the best source for customers and profit. Knowing how to take the fullest advantage of the internet is both a problem and a joy at the same time. Small business web marketing relies heavily on the internet in ensuring that traffic comes your way. As hands-on business owner, you should know that people are no longer searching the net in the traditional way. They no longer use the net in searching for products and services like they used to do. Do you have great products to offer and excellent services but is barely making ends meet? In cases like these, you need to focus on ensuring that free heavy traffic will come your way. It is important to note that 97% of traditional marketing methods have no effect on your bottom line. It means you need not allocate a good portion of your capital for outrageous advertising expenses. Have you tried searching yourself on the internet and do you like where you are located? In most cases, the top search results are the only thing that matters. You have to be on top of the search page for your most relevant keywords and products that you are selling. Is your business on Facebook? Never underestimate the power of social networking sites since according to the latest survey, Facebook has 300% more website page views than Google. Do you know that Facebook now has 300% more website page views than Google? Aside from social networking sites, you should also tap possible customers through mobile marketing. People are always on the go and rely heavily on their mobile phones and the internet to stay connected and be on top of the loop, therefore never think that online marketing is inconsequential. Now is the time for the marketing age. You need to stand out in order to start earning profit. We can show you how by visiting the link below.